I can see. Lost my way in this wilderness, Lord, hear my plea. Pressure mountain every day, gotta find a way to pray. Rock of ages, carry me through the storm and raging sea. Rock of ages, set me free from this misery. Shadows lengthen in the evening sun. My race ain't over till it's truly run. Foot so weary, spirit weak, new strength I see. Oh, troubles heavy on my soul, need to make my spirit whole. The storm was wild, it shook my soul. Waves so high, they tried to roll. But a voice said, peace, be still. My heart obeyed my Father's will. Chains are falling, oh, they're breaking. Joy is rising, I'm awakened. Victory is mine in Jesus. Victory is mine, oh yes, oh yeah, yeah. Victory is mine in Jesus. He breaks the chains. won't shake. You're my shelter when I break. Every mountain bows to you. Every battle you see me through. Chains are falling one by one. Darkness flees the rising sun. Jesus, my victory today. Jesus, my victory today. Oh, Jesus, my victory today. Oh, Jesus, yeah. The storm is loud, but I won't fall. Your hand's the anchor through it all. The waves may rise, the night may call, but in your name I stand tall. You fight my battles, I stand still. Your mighty love bends every will. When fear surrounds, your peace will fill. You fight my battles, I stand still. The fire burns, but I walk free. No chains can hold what you decree. Your truth's a light inside of me. Your power flows like the sea. You fight my battles, I stand still. Your mighty love bends every will. Every will, every will. When fear surrounds, your peace will fill. You fight my battles, I stand still. Mountains crumble, rivers part. The strength my shield, it guards my heart. No weapon formed can tear apart the victory you impart. You fight my battles, I stand still. Your mighty love bends every will. When fear surrounds, your peace will fill. You fight my battles, I stand still. The waves are high, the sky is gray. My feet are heavy, my heart can't stay. I see no bridge, no boat to take me home, but your light breaks through the clouds. Your voice shakes the fear so loud, and I know I'm not alone. I call your name. I call your name. And the seas obey. Make a way through oceans. You hiding from the love that burns so bright. The winds were loud, the path was thin, but still you called me back again. Through the storm I heard you sing. Through the storm I heard you sing. Your grace keeps chasing after me. Through the waves, through the sea. Your grace keeps chasing after me. No chains, no fear, just free. Mountains rose, but you brought them low. Rivers wide, but you made them flow. I built my walls so tall, so strong, but your mercy broke through all along. Through the storm I heard you sing. Through the storm I heard you sing. Your grace keeps chasing after me. Through the waves, through the seas. Your grace keeps chasing after me. No chains, no fear, just free. Oh, 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 the road is rough, the night is long. My feet are tired, my heart feels wrong. But there's a whisper in the breeze. It says, rise up, please. Through the shadows, through the doubt, I hear your name, it calls me out. Your light leads me homeward. Your light leads me on. Oh, through the dark I follow. Oh, until the night is gone. Until the night is gone. The hills are steep, the valley low, but still your love, it seems to grow. Like rivers running to the sea, it carries hope back into me. Yeah. Through the storm, through the flame, your hand is steady, it calls my name. Your light leads me homeward. Your light leads me on. Oh, through the dark I follow. Oh, until the night is gone. Until the night is gone. Until the night is gone. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Your mercy flows like endless vines. In the shadow you remain, through the storm and through the rain. Every breath I take, you give. Every beat of my heart, you live. Your love won't let me go. It lifts me high, it fills my soul. No chains can hold me down. Your love won't let me go. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but your grace chased me deep inside. Through valleys dark, through deserts dry, your hand reached out, you heard my cry. Every step I take, you lead. Every wound you heal, you bleed. Your love won't let me go. It lifts me high, it fills my soul. No chains can hold me down. Your love won't let me go. Morning sun whispers on my face. I feel the rhythm of your grace. Each heartbeat plays a holy tune. Even in shadows, you make me bloom. Every tear, every trial, every mile, you're there, always there with a smile. Your mercy meets me daily. Your mercy lifts me high. Your mercy meets me daily, like waves that kiss the sky. Storms may shout but can't drown your peace. Your love's a river, it won't cease. Through the valleys, through the climb, your hand pulls me time after time. Every fear, every doubt, every cry, you're there, always there, standing by. Your mercy meets me daily. Your mercy lifts me high. Your mercy meets me daily, like waves that kiss the sky. crumble, oceans roar. Still your love is my anchor, sure. In the dark, your light appears. Your promise stands no fear. May bend, but your mercy flows without end. Through the fire, I feel you near. Your promise stands no fear. No fear, no fear, no fear. Your love remains. No fear. No fear, breaking chains. Hallelujah, the victory's clear. Your promise stands no fear. Your promise stands no fear. Your promise stands right here. When the world shakes, you hold near. Your promise stands no fear. Concrete jungle all around me. No green pastures I can see. Lost my way in this wilderness. Lord, hear my plea. Pressure mounting every day. Gotta find a way to pray. Rock of ages, carry me through the storm and raging sea. Rock of ages, set me free from this misery. Yeah, yeah. Shadows lengthen in the evening sun. My race ain't over till it's truly run. Foot so weary, spirit weak, new strength I see. Oh, troubles heavy on my soul, need to make my spirit whole. Rock of ages, carry me through the storm and raging sea. Rock of ages, set me free from this misery. Yeah, yeah. The storm was wild, it shook my soul. Waves so high they tried to roll, but a voice said, "Peace, be still." My heart obeyed my Father's will. Chains are falling, oh, they're breaking. Joy is rising, I'm awake, and victory is mine in Jesus. Victory is mine, oh yes, oh yeah, yeah. Victory is mine in Jesus. He breaks the chains, I confess. Mountains tremble, valleys sing, the heavens shout the name of the King. Through the fire, through the flood, I am covered by His blood. Chains are falling, oh, they're breaking. Joy is rising, I'm awake, and victory is mine in Jesus. Victory is mine, oh yes, oh yes. Victory is mine in Jesus. He breaks the chains, I confess. Sunrise shining on my face, a brand new mercy, a brand new grace. I was lost, now I'm found. Your love turns my life around. Chains are falling one by one. Darkness flees, the rising sun. Jesus, my victory today. Jesus, my victory today. Oh, Jesus, my victory today. Oh, 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 Jesus, storms may come, but I won't shake. You're my shelter when I break. Every mountain bows to you. Every battle you see me through. Chains are falling one by one. Darkness flees, the rising sun. Jesus, my victory today. Jesus, my victory today. Oh, Jesus, my victory today. Oh, Jesus, yeah. The storm is loud, but I won't fall. Your hand's the anchor through it all. The waves may rise, the night may call, but in your name I stand tall. You fight my battles, I stand still. Your mighty love bends every will. When fear surrounds, your peace will fill. You fight my battles, I stand still. The fire burns Your power flows like the sea. You fight my battles, I stand still. Your mighty love bends every will. Every will, every will. When fear surrounds, your peace will fill. You fight my battles, I stand still. Mountains crumble, rivers part. The strength my shield, it guards my heart. No weapon formed can tear apart the victory you impart. You fight my battles, I stand still. Your mighty love bends every will. When fear surrounds, your peace will fill. You fight my battles, I stand still. The waves are high, the sky is gray. My feet are heavy, my heart can't stay. I see no bridge, no boat to take me home, but your light breaks through the clouds. Your voice shakes the fear so loud, and I know I'm not alone. I call your name, I call your name, and the seas obey. Make a way through oceans. You calm the storms that rage. You make a way through oceans. I'm free in your embrace. The tide was rising to pull me down. Current fierce, it spun me around. But you stretched your hand and lifted me above. The waters parted at your command. The wind surrendered to your plan. Your power moves with endless love. You make a way through oceans. You calm the storms that rage. You make a way through oceans. I'm free in your embrace. I was running through the shadowed night, hiding from the love that burned so bright. The winds were loud. till you call me back again. Through the storm I heard you sing. Through the storm I heard you sing. Your grace keeps chasing after me. Through the waves, through the sea. Your grace keeps chasing after me. No chains, no fear, just free. Mountains rose, but you brought them low. Rivers wide, but you made them flow. I built my walls so tall, so strong, but your mercy broke through all along. Through the storm I heard you sing. Through the storm I heard you sing. Your grace keeps chasing after me. Through the waves, through the seas. Your grace keeps chasing after me. No chains, no fear, just free. Oh, oh, the road is rough, the night is long. My feet are tired, my heart feels wrong. But there's a whisper in the breeze. It says, rise up, please. Through the shadows, through the doubt, I hear your name, it calls me out. Your light leads me homeward. Your light leads me on. Oh, through the dark I follow. Oh, until the night is gone. Until the night is gone. The hills are steep, the valley low, but still your love, it seems to grow. Like rivers running to the sea, it carries hope back into me. Yeah. Through the storm, through the flame, your hand is steady, it calls my name. Your light leads me homeward. Your light leads me on. Oh, through the dark I follow. Oh, until the night is gone. Until the night is gone. Until the night is gone. Oh, oh, oh. 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 like endless vines. In the shadow you remain, through the storm and through the rain. Every breath I take, you give. Every beat of my heart, you live. Your love won't let me go. It lifts me high, it fills my soul. No chains can hold me down. Your love won't let me go. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but your grace chased me deep inside. Through valleys dark, through deserts dry, your hand reached out, you heard my cry. Every step I take, you lead. Every wound you heal, you bleed. Your love won't let me go. It lifts me high, it fills my soul. No chains can hold me down. Your love won't let me go. Morning sun whispers on my face. I feel the rhythm of your grace. Each heartbeat plays a holy tune. Even in shadows, you make me bloom. Every tear, every trial, every mile, you're there, always there with a smile. Your mercy meets me daily. Your mercy lifts me high. Your mercy meets me daily, like waves that kiss the sky. Storms may shout but can't drown your peace. Your love's a river, it won't cease. oceans roll.